Hello students, today I would like to discuss for the class 11th and 12th, both the board CBSE and BSEB. Today the discuss class relation between refractive index and the angle of minimum deviation of a thin prism. किसी पतले प्रिज्म के लिए रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स और एंगल ऑफ डेविएशन का मिनिमम डेविएशन के बीच में एक रिलेशन को स्थापित करना है, एस्टैब्लिश करना है। इस पर आज हम लोग क्लास करेंगे। सो you must have sincere for this questions. It is very important question for incoming for the both board of examination. There are two options of this question, either the theoretical question to be given or the numerical question to be given. Now, as you study about the prism, here is the diagram. This diagram explains many of incident. बहुत सारे घटनाक्रम को ये विस्तार में बताती है और इस डायग्राम में हम इसको लैंग्वेज में आपको दिखा रहे हैं कि इस डायग्राम को हम लैंग्वेज में कैसे पढ़ लेंगे। At first we have to study prism. Here ABC is a prism whose angle is BAC. यहाँ पर ABC एक प्रिज्म है जिसका एंगल BAC दिस ए एंगल है। It has two refractive surface AB and AC on which when PQ or incident ray fall on the surface AB at point Q, then it bending towards the perpendicular and go forwarded to QR direction, which is parallel to the BC, which is parallel to the BC. Hence, we may write it parallel to BC. Here the first refraction, that is parallel to BC, that acting as an incident ray from the denser medium to the rarer medium, because the prism is placed in the air medium. So this is the air medium and this is the air medium where the circumstances of this ABC is denser medium. here the QR striking the AC surface from denser to the rarer than the refracting ray RS far from the perpendicular, ये perpendicular से दूर भाग जाती है. Therefore here I dash is greater than R dash. I dash is the greater than R dash. Here R dash acting as an incident ray from the denser to the rarer medium. In this way, we can write here angle of incident is I. Is it clear? Because PQ is the incident ray which perpendicular normal. Perpendicular is this line and angle made between the perpendicular and the incident is I, that is the incident angle, and angle of refraction equal to R. Here is the R. So here QR is in the denser medium. QR is in denser medium. So the made angle R dash and I dash will be an incident and I dash will be the refracting angle. Angle of incidence is R dash and angle of refraction equal to I dash. ठीक. Here this angle, this angle, this and this angle, some relation is created here as per I dash, I equal to I dash. This angle is equivalent to this angle and this angle is equivalent to this angle, and R equal to R dash. Because here I dash is emergent angle. Angle where I is incident angle. There are both the angle is always equal in magnitudes. Now we come to know about the discuss this angle and this angle, I and I dash angle explained. I dash angle, it explained the equal to A, this एंगल के बराबर, इस एंगल के बराबर होगा, और the angle of the minimum deviation, that is in this term del m is said to be del m equal to I plus I dash minus a So, and we know from here this relation I equal to I dash, therefore del m equal to 2I minus a. Clear? और 2I equal to del m plus a. It can be written as here I equal to del m plus a upon 2 और I equal to a plus del m plus by 2. क्लियर? यहाँ पर आपको किसी तरह की प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए, इसलिए कि I के बराबर ही I है, तो उसको हम ऐड करके 2I बना दिए, जो कि del m प्लस a के बराबर होगा, इसलिए I बराबर होगा a प्लस del m by 2. दिस इज द इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. Now we have also given here r plus r dash equal to a, or you have observed some relation here before this. I have r equal to r dash, so this may be written as 2r. यहाँ 2r इन दोनों के सम है तो बराबर a होगा, therefore r equal to a by 2. r equal to a by 2 because angle BAC equal to angle A, that is A is written here. इसी A को हम यहाँ लिखे हैं, so this is considered as equation second. Now I am going to discuss about the second law of refraction. Second law of refraction explained as the Snell's law. Snell's law stated that the ratio of incident angle and the refracting angle is constant. So therefore, from Snell's law, we have sin I upon sin R equal to mu constant, or from equation first and second, putting the value of respectively I and R in the third equation. Then we must write sin I equal to a plus del m upon 2 upon sin R equal to a by 2, that is equal to mu. Hence mu equal to this relation, you have to determine and deduce the refractive index from a thin lens when angle of minimum deviation. If this sin and sin can be eliminated, then we must write a upon del m by 2 upon a by 2. That can be also written, this relation can be also written as del m mu minus 1 equal to a. A equal to mu. दिस वैल्यू, इस वैल्यू को अगर हम ऑपरेशन करें तो हमको ये प्राप्त होता है जो म्यू के बराबर होता है. दिस इज द एक्सप्रेशन टू ऑब्टेन म्यू इक्वल टू रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स इक्वल टू साइन a plus del m upon 2 whole sin a by 2, or also written mu equal to a plus del m by 2 upon a by 2, or this form. This is the relation of refractive index between refractive index and the angle of minimum deviation from a prism. This question is very essential and very important for those students who are a student of class 11th and 12th for the board CBSE and BSEB. Now, some examples are given here. On this basis of their final resultant, that is the angle of minimum deviation from a prism is 37 degree. Angle of minimum deviation of a prism is 37 degree. That means del m equal to 37 degree, and if the angle of prism is 53 the angle of prism is 53, means angle A equal to 53 degree. Find the refractive index of material of the prism. अब ये कह रहा है कि यदि किसी प्रिज्म का मिनिमम डेविएशन की एंगल 37 डिग्री है, जबकि प्रिज्म का रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स एंगल जो है वह 53 है, तो कहता है कि उसके इंडेक्स को निकालो जिस मटेरियल से ये प्रिज्म बने हुए हैं, ये प्रिज्म बने हुए हैं। तो here is the two term given, del m and angle A. We have mu equal to A plus del m sin A plus del m by 2 upon sin A by 2. और A plus del m by 2 upon A by 2. Put the value of these two terms, that is 53 plus 37 upon 2 upon 53 upon 2. That means 90 degree upon 2 upon 53 degree upon 2 by 45 degree, and it cut to make 26.5. That can be written 45 upon 2.5, 26.5, that is 1.58, 1.58. Hence mu equal to 1.58. This is the measurement of relation between refractive index and the angle of minimum deviation of a thin prism drawn by Snell's law.